All right, 14 wants us to determine which of the given points lie on both the lines of the system. So it says you can solve this by substituting, plugging in these points, um, and then solving that way. So instead of, you can do that. It might not take much time, but I want to graph it, and we'll use a calculator to find out which one it is. So just go straight there. So 14, we have x minus y equals 2. And then we're going to move x over, so we have a negative y equal negative x plus 2. Divide everything by negative 1, and that will give us y equals x minus 2. So this is one equation. And then the other one, we have 3x plus y equals 6. So move x over, and that will give us y equals negative 3x plus 6. So here it is here. All right, let's graph it. Let's use this calculator again. All right, so y equal, turn it on, y equal, clear out my equations, and then we're going to type in x minus 2, go to the next line, and then negative 3x plus 6. Graph it. They cross. I'm still zoomed out, so if you want to go back in to normal, zoom 6, give you a better view. And then we will just do second, a little arrow pops up, trace, get this menu for calculate, and option number 5. And then just hit enter 3 times. It's asking first curve, second curve, and guess. Enter, enter, enter. Order pair at the bottom is 2, 0. So even if we would have plugged it in, it was the first one, we'd have got there right away. All right, and number 15, I guess we can solve this one by plugging in. So I'm gonna do a lot of mental math to speed it up. These are some bigger numbers. So the two equations we have are 7x plus 6y minus 5 equals 0. And the other equation is 7x plus 8y minus 9 equals 0. All right, so 7, negative 5. So 7 times 7 will give me 49. 6 times negative 5 will give me negative 30 minus 5. If I combine those, it'll give me a negative 35. This will not give me 0. Okay, so this one will not work. So 7, negative 5 will not give me 0. That won't work. So let's try negative 1, positive 2. So I only tried it in that one because if it don't work for this one, it doesn't matter if it works for this one because it has to work for both. So 7 times negative 1 will give me a negative 7. 6 times 2 is 12. And then we subtract this 5. So that equals 0. That gives me 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 equals 0. That works out. So let's try it over here. Negative 1, positive 2. So 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. 8 times 2 is 16 minus 9. And then 7 and 16, if we subtract, we do get 9 minus 9. That gives us 0 equals 0. So it works. So the ordered pair we need for this one will be -1, +2. I only really like to use plug if we're only going to have to use one number. So we want to know, hey, is this number a solution? You plug it in. If it works in both, yes. If it doesn't, we say no. This one is a little bit more tedious when you got to plug in multiple numbers to find the right one. It's better to just solve it like I did on 14 to get there.